Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will learn about SQL like operator. So the like operator is used in a where clause for a specific pattern in a column. So you can see specified pattern. Let's say you have employee name Tom, Jack and Tim. So you want only the employee name records with name starting with T. So you can use like operator. In this way, you can also work around 0, 1 or multiple characters or even a single character. For that guys, percentage sign is provided by SQL. This is for 0, 1 or multiple characters. In that way, you can also use underscore for let's say one or you can say single character. So we will see all these examples in this video. Okay, so let us see. So herein you can see guys, we have AmitDB database under databases. Within that we have employee table. So we have entered the AmitDB database using the use command, use space database name, that is AmitDB. Now let us see the records of the table so that we can operate on the like operator. Our table was employee, so using select star we can get all the records. Select and click on execute. Herein you can see we have all the records. I told you before that using like operator we can easily fetch the records using a specified pattern. So let's say herein we have employee name Tom, Emma, Jenny, David, Henry and Will, and cities with the following. So let's say we want the employee records with city starting with A only. Okay, for that guys, let us write select star because we want all the records. We are using star. We won't be using semicolon again because you want to add a condition where city, the column name is city, write city like the like operator, and we want starting with A, capital A, right? That is ABC cities will be visible. I'll add percentage here because we just saw the usage of percentage so that we can easily represent 0, 1 or multiple characters. Here we have mentioned a single character. It's fine. Now semicolon and we will run it. Execute. Herein you can see only the city starting with A is visible. Now guys, let us show the execute the command again and here it is. Now let's say you want employee name that ends with I, so the following will be visible. Let's say I'll copy this again. Herein what we want guys, where city, so there was city column. Now we want EMP name column. So I'll mention EMP name, that's it. Like we want it in the end. That means we want the employee name records ending with I. That's it. So herein we will just use the percentage before and mention I. Now after executing it, only the third record will be visible. Select it and click on execute. You can see only Jenny record is visible. In this way guys, we can work with the percentage. Now let us guys display the records again. Now let's say we want the employee records with employee name that are having E in the second position. So Jenny is having E in the second position and Henry is having E in the second position. So we will use a like operator. Use select star from employee because you want to display all the records. Now the condition part, herein we will be using both the percentage as well as underscore. Where EMP name like. So within this we will add the condition. First we will add underscore because the first character is fixed, whatever it is, and the second character should always be E. So I'll mention E here. After that there can be any number of characters, so I'll add percentage. That's it. Now both Jenny, because the second character is E, Jenny and Henry will get fetched. Select it and click on execute. Herein you can see Jenny and Henry got fetched easily. Now guys, let us see the like condition again. Let us first display the records. Okay, so herein we will fetch the employee names that does not start with E. So herein only Emma won't be visible and rest all of them will be visible. So let us see. I'll mention the condition again. EMP name, not like, use not like E. I told E, mention percentage because there can be any number of character after that. But the first character is fixed, which we have mentioned as E. Semicolon. Now except Emma, every record will be visible. Execute. Herein you can see except Emma, every record is visible. In this way we can also work around the not like operator. Okay guys. So we have worked around the percentage as well as underscore. You can work around more examples on your own. So guys, in this video we saw how we can work with the like and not like operator in SQL. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel.